Here's how to fix Adobe Acrobat failed to load its Core DLL error. First, open the Start menu, search for Settings, and open it. From the menu on the left, select Apps, then choose Installed Apps. Scroll through the list until you find Adobe Acrobat. Click the three dots beside Adobe Acrobat and select Modify. A setup window will appear. Click Next, choose Repair, and select Next again. Then, click Update to begin the repair process. Windows will now validate the application's files and folders and check for problems that could be causing the error. When the repair has finished, test Adobe Acrobat again. If you can open Acrobat, you can also run its built-in repair option. Launch Adobe Acrobat, open the menu in the top left corner, and select Help. From there, choose Repair Installation. When the confirmation appears, click Yes and allow Acrobat to repair its installation files. If you're unable to open Acrobat in the first place, simply skip this particular method and continue with the next solution. Now, open Adobe Acrobat and access the menu on the left side. Select Preferences. Inside Preferences, scroll down and select Security Enhanced. Find Enable Protected Mode at Startup and remove the checkmark from this option. A security warning will appear after you disable it. Confirm the change by selecting Yes. Close the Preferences window and restart Adobe Acrobat to check whether the Core DLL error has disappeared. If the problem continues, open the Start menu, search for Registry Editor, and launch it. Here, expand H key current user, then open Software. Inside Software, find and expand Adobe. Next, open Acrobat, then expand DC. Then locate the folder named Privileged. Inside this folder, look for the value named Be Protected Mode. Double-click Be Protected Mode to open its value settings. If the value data is currently set to 1, change it to 0 and click OK. Once you've made the change, close Registry Editor and launch Adobe Acrobat again to test whether the error has been resolved. If you're still experiencing the same problem, open the Adobe Creative Cloud application and select Home from the left-hand panel. Then open Updates from the top. Look through the available updates and check whether Adobe Acrobat has a pending update. If one is available, install it and allow the update process to finish. Once Acrobat has been updated, open it again and check whether the failed to load its Core DLL message is gone. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.